Hello friends, welcome to yet another episode of SIBM Decoded, the podcast of SIBM that has just one objective, and that's to give you a feel of what life in our institute is all about. I'm your podcast jockey Sandeep, and today I'll be talking with Supriya Bendre, the coordinator of the Student Council's research team of SIBM. Welcome to the show, Supriya.
Hi Sandeep.
Supriya, please introduce us to the research team and its core activities.
Sandeep, research team is a team of like-minded individuals who believe that knowledge is sacred, and we want to instill the pursuit of knowledge within the students. The three main activities that we undertake as research team are publishing, batch activities and consulting. Publishing, we have three major publications, first of which is Forthright, which is a fortnightly newsletter. Recently we changed it to a monthly newsletter so that we'll be able to give people better insights. The second is Shodh, which is a half-yearly journal, which is the best of Forthright, and then we also come out with the end year journal, which is our yearly management journal, which has articles from corporates and people from other B schools. The second of our activities is batch activities, where we organize Y clubs, quizzes and other sessions which give people an insight into business matters. The third and the most important, our bread and butter I would say, is research and consulting assignments which we get from corporates. We this time are also working on 3 exciting projects as of now.
Alright, brilliant. So what are the initiatives that the research team has undertaken this year?
Right, so as I was saying, we have undertaken 3 projects. The first of which is regarding clean room industry. We are doing a market feasibility study for a company. The second one is dealing with the next generation vehicle, a 3-wheeler. And apart from this, we have come out with Forthright in print version, which has been applauded by many people. We have finished with Shodh, which has just come out last week, and we also had sessions, the Y Club, which was on inflation. There was a new experiment which we tried, Nuclear Deal Parliament, where we had 2 sides of the house, one for the deal and one against the deal. Again, this was one initiative which was appreciated by the batch. We are also handling alumni policy notes from this year, which is a compendium of good articles which goes to the alumni.
Alright, brilliant. And can you give us a sneak peek into what the research team is planning for the near future?
Yes, the research team is planning a web portal which will be a culmination of all the research work that has come out of the college that we have as a repository. This would probably be an important milestone for the college and most importantly for research team. We are also looking at a lot of new projects in the pipeline, and coming days will also see a lot of collaborations between research team and the other council teams in our pursuit.
Finally, how important is an attitude of research for an MBA student at SIBM?
One thing I've seen, Sandeep, is that people, when you say research, students generally tend to get put off. But I would want to tell them that research is not just about sitting in libraries and going through tomes of books. You have to look at business-oriented research. I think that is what the industry needs. Like, for example, if you say a person specializing in marketing, market research is something which the industry needs right now, and there's a lack of good market researchers. And it's in fact very exciting. Secondly, finance again. We learn a lot of concepts in class. Operations, we learn a lot of things in class. But how do you really apply it to real-life situations? I think that attitude towards research is what is lacking, and that is what needs to be honed. And we as research team are trying to get to that. We are trying to make people aware that this kind of research is what is required.
Well, thank you so much, Supriya. We sincerely appreciate your time and inputs and wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, Sandeep. It was a pleasure coming on the show.
So, from Supriya Bendre, we are now moving to our music band Jasba, who are performing the last in the series of their favorite songs. After the song, I shall be speaking with student achiever Devesh Sabu. I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss that.
छुड़ाओ सारे आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपनी ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू सजी तेरे लिए राजी कर्मा करम सारी अभी अभी है उतारी ओ जिंदगी तो है तमाशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा चख ले रख हथेली से ढक ले इसे तुझमें अगर प्यास है बारिश का घर भी पास है हो रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला संग संग तेरे आकाश है तू धूप है छत से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल गई उड़ चल गई दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है
Welcome back. This is SIBM Decoded with me, Sandeep, and in the studio with me is second year marketing student Devesh Asabu. He's an avid quizzer and has quite a few achievements to boast of. We're glad to have you with us today, Devesh.
Hi Sandeep, it's nice to be here.
Since when have you been a quizzer, and can you take us through your journey in quizzing?
I've been quizzing since my school days. To be precise, since my 5th standard, when I participated in Maggie Quiz. I come from Kolkata, which has a very strong quizzing culture, and I was always up against tough competition. But the good part was, I never gave up. And because for me, the joy of participating in a quiz was more than even winning or losing. So we kept on winning inter-college quizzes and inter-department quizzes. And when I came to SIBM, I was lucky to have a great quizzing partner in Tarun. And it's been a memorable experience so far.
Alright, so how do you prepare for your quizzes? Is it a really tedious task? Do you set aside time every day?
Preparing for quizzing is very different because we don't have a set syllabus. It involves everything and anything under the sun. So the basic need is to have a curiosity for information around you and then use the resources of the net like Wikipedia and the other websites to get to the depth of that. It's not about setting aside time. It happens each and every time you see some new thing which makes you curious. And so the other resources which I use are the business magazines, the business newspapers and the quizzing blogs.
Alright. So what have been your achievements in B-School events during your MBA at SIBM?
Some of my achievements here at SIBM have been winning the Business Today Acumen Quiz, which is a national level B-School challenge, and we won the best round of that. My partner in this endeavor was Arun Agarwal. Besides this, we have won the research paper competition at the 16th SR Business School Research Affair, and I was the co-author of that. And another significant event which we won was the case study competition organized by ICICI Bank and IIM Lucknow. What I have realized after participating in all these events is that it's always teamwork which counts more than an individual effort.
Excellent. So tell us about how SIBM has supported and encouraged you in participating in these school events and going on to win so many competitions.
The best part of SIBM here is that there is so much of eagerness and enthusiasm among students to participate and learn, not just win, learn from these events, that it rubs on you. And more than that, in quizzing, we have got a very strong legacy with the past winners of the Tata Crucible Campus Round being from SIBM, Rohit Jain and Nikhil Narayan. So this also inspired us to do our bit to add to this legacy. And more importantly, it would be wrong if I don't mention the support which we received from the extracurricular team, the corporate interface team and the research team in all the events I have participated so far, who have ensured that all the information flows very freely and they have supported us at every stage of this participation.
Alright, thank you so much Devesh for speaking for SIBM Decoded. We wish you the very best for all your future competitions and also your career.
Thank you, Sandeep.
Well, that's about it, friends, on SIBM Decoded's episode 4. In the next episode, we talk about the admissions process at SIBM, so keep coming back. I'm Sandeep signing off. Bye-bye.